This is one of my favourite areas anywhere, certainly in Britain. It's about 2 miles from a little village called Llanbedr. I think that's how you say it. It's roughly like that. I've only been here about 2 hours, and there's a little beach down there. Quite a big beach, really. And I'm going for a little stroll down this path here, and I should say that this is close to the Rhinogs, which are a marvellous hill walking area. You know, the delight of this place is not simply because of the beach areas, it's also because it's a wonderful Snowdonia mountain area. But look at this wonderful setting. That's Harlech down there, the Harlech sand dunes, which are they've got some sort of award, a sort of heritage award. I forget what the term is, but they're a recognised sort of outstanding, outstanding place. I forget what the term is. I think it's international actually. But it's a wonderful place, this wonderful area, and that's the Llyn Peninsula over there, and the Snowdonia Mountains in the distance.